Hi, welcome back. We're going to be planting our garden here in a couple of weeks, so I thought I'd make a couple of gardening aprons. And I have a lot of denim, so I'm going to be upcycling some denim. And for the accent, I'm using this cute fabric. I picked it up in the clearance section at my local fabric store a couple of months ago, and it's perfect for a gardening apron. So let's get started. I've cut my pieces. I'll put the measurements up on the screen. And this fabric here is cotton. It was really thin, so I thought I'd add a layer of canvas behind it to give it a little more structure. And I'm going to be adding some binding to the edges, so I cut some coordinating fabric to 2-inch strips. I cut it on the bias, and I'm going to be using that for the binding around the edges and to tie the little apron. So I'm just going to sew some binding onto the top of the piece here, and I'm going to fold it in half, which is the right side, like this. So I just have that tacked on now, and I'm going to trace around this plate just to give it a curved edge. And I'm going to draw a straight line down the middle. I'm going to do it a little off center because this is pretty thick here. Actually, maybe I'll just sew a line on each side of this and make 2 pockets. I made a piece of binding. I cut this as 2 inches wide and pressed it in like this. And I made it long enough to go across the top and an extra length for straps to tie it. And I just went by, sorry, I just bumped the camera there. I just went by what I thought it would be long enough. And I folded it in half and marked the middle. And I'm going to sew the top first. And then I'll sew down the ends for the straps. So this time I'm doing both sides at once. To make the harvest apron, I'm going to be cutting this to be 18 inches long. I'm making a strip of fabric that is 4 inches wide. That's going to be the waistband. This is for the casing for the drawstring. And I'm going to be using this fabric here to make the tie straps and the drawstrings. I'm cutting a 2-inch strip of fabric. The width of this is 44-inch wide fabric, so I'm just going to do a 2-inch wide strip here, and that will make the drawstrings. And to tie the apron, I am going to use make a 4-inch wide strip. I'm sewing the bottom together, and normally we sew the right sides facing together, but I want to fold this up and have this sticking out. So I'm putting this right side up and this right side up. Just wanted to point out, there's a hem here because I am using the bottom of that dress that I cut up. I'm not going to bother cutting it off. I'm just turning in one side of the 2.5-inch strips of the drawstrings for the casings for the drawstrings. I've marked the middle, and I'm going to be putting this on each side like this. I'm going to be making the drawstrings, and this is a really good trick because we have to turn this right side out after we sew it, and this makes it so much easier. So these are the 2-inch strips. So I'm just going to cut a little bit off the end on one side and cut it on an angle like this. And I have a long piece of yarn that is longer than my strap here that I'm making. And I'm just going to go over the end here and sew it down like that. And now I'm going to turn the right side out and make sure we don't sew any of that piece in. Now we can just pull it open like this. And then we have the strap all finished. And I'm going to be cutting this in half because I made it the exact length of the fabric, or width of the fabric, sorry. And I'm going to put that in through the pieces. So I'm going to take the strap and put a pin in it, and I'm going to put a piece on each side. Now we're going to take the top of the apron, and we're going to sew in some seams here with the largest stitch size because we're going to be gathering it. Before we gather up the top here, we're going to sew up the sides. For the straps, I'm just folding the fabric in half and just sewing it. Putting on the waistband, I'm going to start at the back side here, and I mark the middle, and I press down. Actually, I didn't mark this one. I mark the middle, and I'm just going to line this up with that. And I'm just going to pull these loose threads and gather it. And we're going to sew along this side here, but before we do that, we're going to turn it over, and where it's marked in the middle, we're going to take that little band and just make a little tab here and put it where it was marked in the middle. And so we're just going to sew up that seam there. Now we take the strap and put it in here and stitch it in. This one's perfect for gardening. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed yet, please subscribe and have a great day. Bye for now.